All right, so this is the SDXL Turbo demo. This is an on-device stable diffusion demonstration that we're doing, just showing off the technology that we are putting together for the Dimensity 9300. So all of this is on-device and powered by our chip, the Dimensity 9300. So the idea behind this is as I type, it will dynamically change in real time the image that you see here. So I'm gonna change some things around so you can see how quickly this is gonna move. So I like showing off the capybara, if I could type it correctly. So eating a piece of cheese. Let's add some strawberries in there. Let's actually just do raspberries. I haven't done raspberries before, so let's see how this shows up. Raspberries, yeah, awesome. The top hat. We're gonna make that a tiara. A little princess in space. Cool. So now let's mix it up even more. Let's make this a Pikachu. And let's put Pikachu in the Alps. Right? So, and then you can just have a lot of fun with this and just come up with whatever random things.
It's been a week since MWC 2024 concluded, and there is a lot of interesting products and innovations on the show floor this year. It's impossible to cover all of them. One demo that left everyone jaw-dropped and has stayed in people's minds since the last day of the show is MediaTek's text-to-AI generation tool showcased at their booth. MediaTek demonstrated their SDXL Turbo AI engine, which transforms text into images. While AI models converting text to images are not new, what's remarkable is that the engine operates offline and on-device. The engine shown in the video below is running on a prototype device with the Dimensity 9300 chip at its heart, and the device is not connected to internet. The AI engine is so powerful that it can convert text into images almost in real time, with a response time of less than 1 second for each prompt and text input. In the video, the initial image generated from the prompt was impressive, showing a cat wearing a hat while eating cheese. What was most surprising, how quickly the image changes as soon as you alter the prompt. This is something that even powerful online tools are not able to do. Popular AI services like ChatGPT and Google Gemini also offers text-to-image tools, but MediaTek takes it one step further by providing the tool on the chipset, and it works offline.